modular architecture since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, since the turn of the 20th century, and we've had a lot of starts and stops. And I suppose the question that might go through everyone's mind is why, if it's been around for so long, why hasn't it become more dominant? And I think that the answer to that is that its particular advantages have only, I think, as the world's become more dense and time and performance have become more critical, started to really become more ideal. So what we're seeing is that modular is performing and delivering in a way that conventional buildings need to but can't, and so things are really shifted.
I came out of the family construction business, so to me, when somebody first said the word modular before I ever got into the industry, I thought of mobile homes. And a lot of people have come up to me over the years, do you build mobile homes, do you build office trailers? And I got enlightened as I became involved in the industry, but I'm sure a lot of people in the audience have the same potential misconception about what our industry can bring to the market. And thoughts were, besides the mobile home, shoddy construction, no creativity, no delineation on specifications. You guys
realize this is a panel on the advantages of modular, right?
Yeah. Well, you're asking me what was my thought.
Okay.
Then, as I became...
Just checking.
Yeah, and I'm from the manufacturer side. And then as I became involved in this industry, I realized how far back it actually went in our country. People have associated quote-unquote modular with the Sears catalog of ordering a home, but it actually dates back much further than that, into the 1890s. The companies that started building your roadside diners were actually the original modular companies in our country. But once I started learning more about it, it became totally different conception about it, and then realized that it's just a different building methodology giving you the same end product in a different format.
My initial association with modular was prefab, stick-built homes or townhouses or something along those lines. That's not the product that we have ever built for a third party or for ourselves. So the education that I'm still very much involved in is basically building a conventional type building off-site, and that's what we're doing. We're building a structural steel frame with concrete floor building in a factory, in pieces, and we're assembling it on the site. And we're keeping, and in terms of advantages for me as the builder and the developer, I don't need anybody to tell me that it's difficult in the field to maintain schedules, maintain quality, and maintain good performance. I know that's very difficult. I've been doing it for too long. So the opportunity to control a lot of those elements of a development project and to ensure the quality and ensure the timing, and to also make our design team come up with decisions at the front end as opposed to figuring out the design as we go along. All of those are advantages to the bottom line.
And at the end of the day, the only thing that limits you is your imagination on it. And it's just a matter of working within the confines of prefabrication.